Hello, everyone. This episode we will cover international logistics in international business. So let's get started. Logistics, also known by such other names as marketing logistics, industrial logistics, business logistics, distribution channels of distribution logistics, distribution engineering, material materials logistics management, supply chain management is a very important component of operations management. According to the Council of Logistics Management USA, logistics management is the process of planning, implementing, and controlling the efficient, cost effective flow and storage of raw materials. In process inventory, finished goods, and related information from point of origin to the point of consumption for the purpose of conforming to customer requirements. Logistics encompasses the total movement concept, covering the entire range of operations concerned with the movement of materials and products to, through, and out of the firm to the consumer. It includes a variety of activities such as inventory management, warehousing and storage, transportation, materials handling, order processing, distribution, communications, packaging, salvage and scrap disposal, return goods handling, customer service. Some of the other major components of logistics are the following: fixed facilities location. The major consideration is the location of fixed facilities such as production and warehousing in such a way as to maximize the total efficiency of the logistics systems. Factors such as future potential of the markets, future plans of the company, competitive factors, political stability are also important considerations. Inventory management. The main objective of inventory management is to minimize the cost of the inventory while ensuring smooth supplies. Developments in inventory management by the customer's orders processing and in the total logistics system have made inventory management both challenging and efficient. Order processing. The efficiency of order processing by the client as well as the company has important implications for inventory levels and other aspects of logistics. Rapid order processing shortens the order cycle and allows for lower safety stocks on the part of the client. Exporters from developing countries like India face the challenge of coping up with such situations. Material handling and transportation. Material handling and transportation are also an important part of the logistics movement management. The technologies in use in material handling and transportation affect the efficiency of logistics. Importance of logistics. Logistics plays a very important role in marketing management. Effective logistics management enhances the marketing effort of the firm, which can create differential advantage in the marketplace by providing efficient movement of products to consumers and time and place utility to products. It can be treated as a proprietary asset of the company. Lambert and Stock observe that logistics has increased in importance from a function that was perceived as barely necessary to an activity where significant cost savings can be generated, an activity that has enormous potential to impact customer satisfaction, a marketing weapon that could be effectively utilized to gain sustainable competitive edge. Logistics has made important role in marketing and it is highly interrelated with the marketing mix. A product has four kinds of utility: form utility, place utility, time utility, position utility. Form utility. It refers to the value or utility of making materials available in finished form imparted by the manufacturing process. The place and time utilities are imparted by distribution. Distribution also helps the customer to obtain possession utility. Place utility. It refers to the value added to a product by making it available to the customer at the right time. Time utility. It is the value added to the product by making it available to the customer at the right time. The just in time inventory practice enormously increases the time utility. Possession utility. It refers to the value added to a product by allowing a customer to take ownership of the item. Possession utility is not a result of logistics, but the offering of credit, quality discounts, and delayed payments, which enable the customer to assume possession of the product. The logistics and marketing processes culminate in possession utility. Plowman has highlighted the functions of a logistics system by referring to five rights to the customers consuming the product: supplying the right product at the right place, at the right time, in the right condition, for the right cost. Lambert and Stock pointed out that in most firms, logistics is most promising area to achieve significant cost savings. As in some instances, such cost savings can have a far greater impact on the firm's profitability than increasing sales volume. Just like any other component of the marketing mix, logistics can be a source of competitive advantage for a firm. This is particularly so when the product is standardized and the prices of the competitors are more or less the same. As J.U. Sterling points out, distribution can be used as the primary reason why the target market will purchase, and distribution can be designed as a unique offering not duplicated by competitors. In short, the international operations management encompasses the entire business system, and the competitiveness of a firm depends on how smartly the operations are managed, taking advantage of the global opportunities and combating the challenges. Globalization necessitates and facilitates internationalization of operation management. The objective of international operations management is to manage the diverse operations globally in such a way as to achieve a overall optimum results consistent with the objectives and strategies of the firm. Even a firm which markets the products only in the domestic market may be conducting its business operations internationally, like sourcing the inputs or finished products internationally or manufacturing the product abroad. A dynamic company will take advantage of the favorable conditions that exist anywhere in the world. Operations management, to a very large extent, is supply chain management. The strategic requirement of international business determine the extent, characteristic, and strategic direction of the supply chain. One important consideration in operation management is to make or buy. The buy has been increasingly becoming global sourcing. There has been a growing trend towards partnering, relationship marketing in important areas of outsourcing. Partnering is a win-win approach in contrast to conventional transactional relationship or adversarial relationship characterized by the win-lose attitude. The growing globalization is also characterized by increasing global networking of operations for optimizing the operations and increasing the competitiveness. Globalization has also widened the opportunities for product development, including R&D. The fundamental research may be done in one place, designing is in another place, and engineering somewhere else. Such opportunities help enhance the competitiveness of firms. The production and other facilities of global firms tend to be globally located. International logistics management, which include a variety of activities such as inventory management, warehousing and storage, transportation, materials handling, order processing, distribution communications, packaging, salvage and scrap disposal, return goods handling, customer service is also a critical element of international operations management. So that's our topic for international logistics for this episode. Thank you. Have a great time.